We are Chris and Aubrey Winkler, and we are building the Glendale.
What we've enjoyed about the design studio process is having it be a one-stop shop as opposed to having to go out and see different vendors. Everything is right here, and if for some reason there's something not here, Shelley was able to pull it up on the screen and give us an idea. So we've really enjoyed that, saving time and being able to see the big picture all together right here.
We think what separates Shaw from other builders is you knew immediately if you selected an option what that price would be and its impact on the overall cost of the house. Sometimes you don't always get that with other builders where they check back and it may be a week or two, or you find out at closing that you have to pay additional money for your closing costs.
The advice I give to others before they come to the design studio is to think big, get your ideas, bring pictures, definitely have those ideas in your head and let them do what they do best, which is help you. They'll bring up images, give you different things, maybe give you a different aspect, but they're very, very, very helpful, and we've been really happy with the design studio process. Shelley's been wonderful.